Comparing fractions with a common denominator. Your learning target today is I can use models to compare two fractions with a common denominator. And you'll know you're successful when you can compare fractions that have the same denominator but a different numerator. Today we're going to be working with comparing fractions with a common denominator. So today I'm going to be looking at the bottom number of each fraction, the denominator, and each fraction will have a different numerator, but the same denominator. And we're going to see how those fractions are similar and different. So we're going to be looking at these fractions. We're going to look at 1/6, 2/6, and 4/6. So let's do some comparing and see how they are similar and different to each other when the bottom number is the same. So I have 3 trays of brownies right here. And remember, each tray of brownies has the same denominator, the same total, right? So that means each one has a total of 6 pieces total. So I have 3 friends. My friend Bobby is going to get this one piece of brownie right here because this would be 1/6. Only one piece of the brownie out of 6 total. So that's his piece right there. Well, my friend Susie is going to get 2 out of the 6 pieces. So she is going to get not only that one that Bobby had, but another one. So that's her piece. Well, my friend Tommy, he is going to get 4 out of 6 of those pieces. So I'm going to color in all 3 of these that are on top, and then one more after that. So once that's all colored in, so he gets his full 3 pieces, he's going to get another one on top of that. So which friend would you rather be in this situation? Would you rather be Bobby with only one of those pieces, 1/6? Would you rather be Susie where you got 2 of those pieces? Or would you rather be Tommy where you got 4 out of those 6 pieces? I would rather be Tommy in this case, right? Because I would rather have 4 of those big pieces. That's almost the whole entire brownie tray. And so even though we have the same denominator for each one, and each piece is exactly the same size, the numerator is very important in this case because our 4 right here is clearly more than the other brownie trays, right? 1/6 is less than 2/6, and 2/6 is less than 4/6. Well, what about if I looked at 1/6 and 4/6? Which one is the bigger one? Well, I know our denominators are the same, but our numerators are different. And so when my denominator is the same, the numerator that is bigger is always going to be the greater than. So please remember this rule. When I have a common denominator, that means the bottom number is the same. The larger the numerator, and that means the bigger the fraction. So yesterday we learned the rule that if I had a common numerator, the larger the denominator, the smaller my fraction was. Well, today when I have the same denominator, the bigger the fraction is. Remember, your learning target today is I can use models to compare two fractions with a common denominator. And you'll know you're successful when you can compare fractions that have the same denominator but a different numerator.